Hello everyone, welcome to Show Me's World and thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, and all of you who haven't yet, please kindly subscribe to my channel Show Me's World and keep supporting me. So today I'm going to make this Mughlai Mutton Chop, and this is a Kolkata special recipe. This unique recipe which I have created is simply delicious and is very easy to make. So let's quickly get started. So at first, for the marination paste in a mixer, adding cashews, then raisins, thereafter some fried onions, then the whole garam masalas, green cardamom, cloves and cinnamon stick, yogurt or curd, and all the measurements are already there in the description box. So some dry spices, coriander powder, cumin powder, Kashmiri red chili powder or just red chili powder, turmeric powder, some mace, white peppercorns and nutmeg, and then also adding mustard oil, or you can add any oil of your choice. This is half and half which I've added. You can add either milk or cream if you don't have it. And finally, I'm going to blend all of them together in a smooth paste. And now comes the marination part. I'm using your mutton chop or mutton chop pieces. I'm adding the paste which I've already made. You can see that the consistency of the paste is quite thick. Adding all of the paste in the mutton pieces and going to give everything a good mix. Also, I'm going to add little bit of salt as per your taste, and keeping this marinated mutton pieces aside for minimum of 2 hours. The more the merrier. Now comes the cooking part. I am taking a flat bottomed pan in medium flame, adding ghee and little bit of oil. You don't have to add oil if you just want to do the entire cooking in ghee. Adding the thinly sliced onions. Also, I added whole dry red chilies and fry it until it turns light golden brown in color. Now I'm adding the ginger and the garlic paste. It's always recommended to use freshly grounded ginger and garlic paste. It gives an amazing flavor. After the rawness of the ginger and garlic goes away, I'm going to add Kashmiri red chili powder, mixing it for half a minute. Now it's time to add the marinated mutton chops or the mutton chop pieces. So this mutton chop recipe is basically a recipe which is slowly cooked to perfection. So now the only thing you have to do is keep on stirring and cooking this mutton. Slow cook it in medium to low flame until it's completely tender. I had already added some salt during the marination, but I felt that the salt is a little bit less, so I added a little bit more of it. Now I'm closing the pan with a lid and let it simmer for at least 15 to 20 minutes. It's a slow cooking process, so stirring it once again so that it does not stick in the bottom of the pan. I'm going to close the lid once again because it needs to be cooked a little bit more. Cooking it for approximately 10 to 15 minutes or 20 minutes more. It depends on the quality of the meat you are using. Now it's time to add some lukewarm water. So there was some leftover marination. So basically I used the same water, cleaning up the marinated bowl. Now I'm cooking the meat again, closing the lid for another 15 minutes or so. So approximately it took me 1 hour. Just before serving it, I'm adding little bit of rose water. So friends, the Mughlai Mutton Chop Kolkata special recipe is ready to be served. You can eat it with paratha or chapati. I love it also with rice. So do give this recipe a try and let me know how was it. Doesn't this Mughlai mutton chop looks amazing? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel Show Me's World. Until next time, bye bye.